To make this much money, all it takes is a single minute. Yes, you read that correctly. You may make the same amount of money every 60 seconds by repeating the process. Take a look at these payment proofs that have been sent directly into your PayPal account. Wouldn't you like to have this for yourself? Now what I've prepared for you in this video is really unique. It is so unusual that just a few individuals are aware of this innovative way to make money online. There are many gatekeepers out there that are attempting to keep this whole thing a secret for their own selfish reasons. But the purpose of today's video is to assist you in getting results and earning your first few $100s online. I will let you know a little secret. There is a lot of money to be made here. The sky is, without a doubt, the limit. Consider the financial and geographical freedom you may have if you succeed. Perhaps you'd already be able to pay off a portion of your debt. In this step-by-step lesson, I will show you every detail. Everything is completely free and requires no investment. This is available to you no matter where you are on the globe. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. First and foremost, go to youtube.com and search for motivating videos. From there, you will see a slew of results from other users who have amassed millions of views. But before you go to any assumptions, know that you will not be required to make your own videos. This approach does not need the use of a camera or a YouTube channel, but I do want to share with you a well-kept secret about how you may take a lot of money by watching other people's YouTube videos. Take a look at this right now. This is an example of a motivating video. It has millions of views, as you can see. This video has now received millions of additional views. There are a lot of individuals out there that are looking for this sort of stuff in movies. So now I'd like you to select 3 videos from the search results. And that concludes the first step. Okay, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I would like you to go to uii.io for step 2. On this website, you may get money with PayPal and be paid every time someone clicks on your unique link. The concept is actually fairly simple. You only need to register for a free account on the website and then shorten your URL. In a moment, I will show you precisely how to achieve it. So once you've created your shortened link and have people click on it, you will get rewarded with PayPal money. Every day, people from all around the world get compensated with actual money in this manner. You get paid per click, and the amount you are paid depends on who clicks on your link. You will get compensated in a variety of ways. For example, if someone from the United Kingdom clicks on your link, you will get paid $7. And then when individuals from Norway click on your link, you will get paid $5. On their website, you can see all of the different pricing. Let me go through it once again. They all work on the same principle of shortening your URL. Encourage visitors to go to your website and click on your link. And then you can get paid over and over again. That is how we are going to go about it. Go to YouTube and look for 3 videos. All we have to do now is click the share button and copy the video link. However, rather than simply sharing this YouTube URL, we will use uii.io to shorten it. Remember how I mentioned you could make money by having folks click on this link? Now comes the tricky part, getting people to click on your link. How do you obtain visitors and traffic? And more importantly, how do you attract visits and traffic? Now we have the problem of getting people to click on your shortened link. This is when I enter the picture. I have prepared this copy and paste script for you, and you may use it whenever you need to persuade someone to click on a link you send them. Motivate yourself like never before is the title of this script. Here is the complete script. You may simply copy and paste it right here and then enter and insert your URL into this column as shown. Simply copy and paste the entire script. Now I will teach you how to create a free account. To sign up for free, all you have to do is click this button. Then you will be sent to this website where you may sign up for free. All you have to do is fill in your username, email address, and password. Now, once you've signed into your fresh new account, you will see everything listed above. Basically, your statistics will be displayed. You can check how many links you're getting and how much money you're making every day right here. Of course, if you register into a fresh new account, you will see 0 because you haven't shortened any links or gotten anyone to click on them yet. I'd want to show you this same example now using a completely new account so that if you're watching right now, you can replicate what I'm doing and start making money using PayPal. All you have to do now is click on the new shorten link button. As you can see, this is going to open up this box. You are going to return to YouTube right now. This is the first video I chose. Now all I have to do is click the share button and copy the YouTube URL. And then I will just return to my dashboard and copy and paste the URL into this box. I will simply post motivational on this box. Then I will simply press the shorten button right here. And as you can see, it will instantly assist us to shorten this YouTube URL. This is a special UII.io shortened URL, and everyone who clicks on it will be routed to YouTube. They will begin watching this video and you will get paid for each click as a result. Now all you have to do is copy the shortened URL from here and return to our copy and paste script. Scroll down to this point and paste the script. Now all we have to do is repeat the process by going on to the second column and inserting the second link. We will repeat the process with the third video. The more links we put up, the more money we will make with this method. Once you've arranged all of the links, click on File, then Download to save this document to your computer as a PDF. So go ahead and start utilizing it and putting it on the last website I will mention. We have reached the end of the process. This is when you receive a lot of free traffic by getting a lot of people to click on your shortened link. Simply go to slideshare.net and upload your presentation. People post various papers and slideshows to this website to exchange various information with others. This is an example of a document and a slide that people post to slideshare.com. You can create a free account by clicking here. All you have to do is click the sign up button at the top of the website to be sent to this page. This is where you may create a free account. You may then just click on the upload button at the top of the page to be sent to this page where you can upload a file. That is where the PDF file will be uploaded right here on slideshare.net. Over 160 million people visit slideshare.net each month, and a large number of visitors visit this website to learn something new. As a result, this is the ideal location for you to distribute this document for free so that others can benefit from it. If they want to learn more, they may click on your link and begin viewing the video you have provided. It is a win-win situation all around. You are paid to share good video with others while also being paid for every click. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.